going to be showing you what's in my purse. So first off, here's my purse, and I'm going to be showing you what's inside it. So first off, I have these pouches, and I have the zipper. So first off, I'm going to be showing you what's in my pouches. So first off, I have my wallet, and it says Princess, and inside I have all my quarters, and yeah, that was my wallet. And in this pouch, I have my iPod. Oh. Okay, and then this zipper. I have some perfume from Victoria's Secret. Some lip smackers, bubblegum flavored. Estee Lauderdale Soft Skin Lotion. Estee Lauderdale Lotion Wash Away Perfect Skin. And my phone with its case. So, I hope you enjoyed my video, and comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye!